Hey folks, on Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas, and today we're going to do a tour of an Oceanview Balcony. This one in particular is 7684, which is accessible from the aft of the ship. Let's take a look inside. Alright, you've got a master switch right there. As soon as you walk in, that's what I just pressed to open or turn on the lights rather. Along the back of the ship, along the back of the door, you got all of your important information there as far as your muster, where to report. Also very important, your magnet. If you're sleeping off the adventure, if you're in your room for any reason and you want some privacy, be sure to put that on the outside of the door. You've got standard size closet. So if you're curious, first time cruiser and you're wondering, do they have hangers? Here you go. You also have additional room down here to hang more. Life jackets down there across the bottom. Hopefully we won't need those. Got your safe, which is programmable, standard programmable safe. You just put in your code. And you'll use that same code throughout the week. Additional shelves. On this side, you've got the bathroom. Standard size bathroom. You've got the shower tube here. Toilet. You got your mirror. Single vanity. Now, because we're Diamond Plus, we've got little upgraded amenities there. Got this area here for storage. Very important, towel hooks. Great for wet towels and wet swimsuits. Got thermostat here, pretty basic. We got full-size mirror here. Full-size couch. Little coffee table. Got your television here. And the dresser. Got your cooler here. Got your standard drawers. Now, what's important about this one, it does contain the information for room service. You can order standard room service here for additional fee. You also have a breakfast menu. If you want to order breakfast, you just write down your stateroom number, number of guests, and the desired arrival time. And on the inside, along the left, this is continental breakfast, which is complimentary, free of charge. Along the right side, you've got the American breakfast. There's an additional fee for that. So if you want to have some room service delivered to your room and have that breakfast out there on your Oceanview balcony, you can do so. It has to be out by 3 a.m. The morning of when you want your room service to arrive. Got some additional storage here. Same thing on this side. You got your outlets. Let me switch here for the vanity. Got two US outlets on that side, European outlet on the right, as well as a volume control for the speaker that's in the room. Television here, which does pull out from the wall, fully adjustable. So if you want to watch TV in bed, you can do that. This is an adjoining room, so if you're looking for Oceanview balconies that have an adjoining room, if you have multiple guests, this one is an adjoining room. Standard Royal King. Got your nightstand here. Little cruise hack. This phone has a USB outlet. Very convenient place to charge your cell phone. Now, some ships, some of those phones have them, some don't. Independence does have them. And now for the reason they call this an Oceanview balcony. Let's take a look outside. Standard size balcony. Got your bistro table and your 2 chairs. We are in Falmouth, Jamaica today. A little breezy, but otherwise gorgeous. Sunny, 83. Got a beautiful view here from your balcony. Now Jamaica, as you've probably heard, is still recovering from a devastating hurricane late last year. As you look out across here, you can see a lot of tarps on those blue tarps across the rooftops, and some roofs are missing entirely. They're still in the process of a lot of cleanup. In Royal Caribbean, after that hurricane hit Jamaica, within a few days they actually sent a ship full of supplies to assist in the recovery efforts, so kudos to them. So getting back to the tour, you do have a light here on the top of your door to the balcony. There's a switch just inside the door, so if you want to light on your balcony, if you're out here in the evening, you can do so. And rounding out the tour, you might have noticed over here, birthday cake. So this is courtesy of Casino Royale. My wife actually has her birthday today, and they had that delivered to the room. So nice little touch. So if anyone has any questions about this particular Oceanview balcony, or just about any Oceanview balcony, feel free to leave some information in the comments below. Also be sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you would, and we'll see you around.